Hi guys, this is AK. Welcome to our channel Confident Trader. Today we are going to discuss about what is Demat account, why do we need to open a Demat account, and functions of the Demat account and facilities offered by Demat account in detail. So let's get into the topic. Welcome guys. Now let's discuss about what is Demat account. Initially, stocks and shares used to be exchanged via physical receipts called certificates. However, this results in lengthy paperwork and took up lot of time. To counter this, to take an advantage of electronic trading platforms, which was gaining traction in Western and Asian markets, the process of dematerialization, which is called demat of shares, was initiated in 1996 as physical shares or certificates were converted into electronic form securities of equivalent number of price and were credited into investors demat account. Thus the advent of the trading commenced in this way. In a more simplistic approach, demat accounts allowed the investors to buy and sell as well as transact not only shares and stocks but other products conveniently without the need of any sort of paperwork. Now we need to know that why we need to open a Demat account. Such accounts are of crucial importance today because the entire platform of investing, trading and maintaining have become digitalized. Hence, to enable the users with seamless and straightforward experience, Demat accounts are the necessary of the day. These accounts are essential to trade in Indian Stock Exchange with the guidelines of SEBI, which is called Securities and Exchange Board of India, has permitted trades up to 500 shares to be settled in the physical form. It's not a preferable option these days since it causes excessive inconvenience of maintenance and tracking. This account retains certificates of financial instruments such as shares, bonds, government securities, etc. Thus, the dematerialization account aids the investors to maintain their investments systematically as well as coincidence and easy movement to buy and sell any products they desire. Investing in physical shares is a lot of work together, which is lengthy procedure and high risk of receiving fake shares like certificates. To keep this entire process simple and streamlined, an investor should choose to open a Demat account. Online trading enables the shares and securities to be held in such an account in dematerialization or electronic format. Dematerialization is the process of converting the physical share certificates to an electronic form to increase its accessibility. As per SEBI guidelines, such accounts is mandatory for every shareholder who need to trade in stocks and shares and other products. Hence, to settle trades electronically, an investor requires a specific Demat account number. It is similar concept to that of bank accounts we are in. There is a record of debit and credit of the balance maintained in bank passbook. Likewise, when we purchase or sale of a share is undertaken, it will be either credited or debited to our form of the account respectively. Thus, holding such an account allows the investor to buy and sell shares or any other products, hold them safe and sound. A Demat account can be used to retain several investments like shares, stocks, index and gold bonds, government securities, initial public offerings which is called IPOs, and exchange trading funds which is called ETFs, and non-convertible debentures which is called NCDs, mutual funds, etc., which are traded on the exchange. You can open a Demat account without owning a share or products together with maintaining a zero balance account. Now let's discuss about what are the functionings of a Demat account. All your shares and investments, namely securities, bonds, mutual funds, government securities, ETFs, are held either in electronic or Demat form in your Demat account. It is imperative to understand the process and what is involved in the working of such an account. Below are the main functions of Demat account. Now we are going to discussing. First one is depository. At present, two depositories are registered with SEBI. One is CDSL, which is Central Depository of Securities Limited, and another one is NSDL, which is National Depository of Securities Limited. These depositories hold your demat accounts on your behalf. The working is similar to that of a bank. And depository participants, which is called DP, is an agent of the depository through which the interface with the investors, financial institutions, schedules, commercial banks, foreign banks having operations in India approved via RBI, which is called the Reserve Bank of India, which you all know, brokers and clearing corporations or houses, state financial corporations, NBFCs, shares transfer agents, etc. Complying with the conditions proposed by SEBI can be registered as DP. Banking services can be availed through a branch. However, depository services can be availed via DP. Next one is portfolio holdings. The demat account enables you to view your portfolio holdings of investments every time a transaction is undertaken. Since it is an automated process, every purchase and sale is recorded with the minutes, details of price, date of purchase and date of purchase quantities, etc. Unique ID. Every single demat account has an unique verification ID number. This is used during transaction to aid the companies to identify and credit the securities in the specific investor's account. It is under 16 digits number. The first 8 digits are the DP IDs and the last 6 digits are the client IDs, which is investors. Now let's discuss about facilities offered by a demat account. Demat account opening offers a wide range of facilities for the investors. Let's look at a few of them below. Transfer of investments. A demat account aids a transfer of shares as an investor by filling in delivery instruction slip, which is called DIS, with all the relevant investor specifics. It enables the effortless transfer of shares. However, it is not only limited to shares, but various instruments or securities holding can be also transferred through such an account. Now let's discuss about dematerialization or rematerialization. A demat account assists to conversion of securities into different formats easily by instructing your DP, depository participant, for dematerialization to carry out the formalities to convert the physical share certificates into an electronic form. On the other hand, the investors can get the electronic security holding, convert back the physical form via the process of rematerialization, wherein a RRF, remat request form, is filled by the DP. Loan facilities. The securities held in the account can provide the investors his exact and detailed holdings to enable him to apply for a loan from a bank or financial institution. The securities can be provided as collateral towards the loan. Corporate actions. Such accounts assist the investors in tracking and maintaining his securities. This is specifically required to monitor slips of any equity shares, bonus issues, and any other actions taken by the companies from their shareholders. These are directly updated in the account. Freezing your demat account. Investors are provided the option to freeze your account for a specific period as per requirement. At times, this is undertaken to prevent unexpected activities in this account. Unexpected activities like someone is hacking your account, like that issues. However, to avail this facility, a particular amount of shares should be present in the investor's account. Speed E facility. NSDL has provided the electronic facility of their investors to complete a transaction through the submission of an e-slip, which is sent to their DP. In this video, we have discussed clearly about demat account. In our next video, we will be discussing about which broker is best and how many brokers we have, what kind of frauds will be going on in brokerage service. Everything we will be discussing in our next video. For getting updates, stay tuned with our channel. Go and hit the subscribe button and followed by bell icon. If you like this video, please give a like to this video, and if you have any query, just comment in the comment box. We'll be seeing every comment and we'll be replying you in very fast. Thank you guys.